In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit one response per email in Tally Forms. This is a great way to ensure each participant can submit only one entry, maintaining the integrity of your data collection process. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Tally's website, which is your go-to online form builder. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. You can do this by clicking the Login button, which you'll find easily on the homepage. Next, you'll see the option to log in using different methods. Choose Continue with Google for a quick and seamless process. This will redirect you to the Google account sign-in page. Here, select your Google account by clicking on it. This step is important because it helps Tally link your form submissions with your email identification for security and tracking purposes. Once logged in, click on Continue to proceed to your Tally dashboard. From the dashboard, you'll need to locate the form you want to edit. Once you find it, click on Edit. This will open up the form editor. Now let's make our way to the feature that restricts one response per email. On the form editor page, look for the settings icon. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to the advanced form settings, where you can customize several options to fit your needs. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Prevent Duplicate Submissions. Click on this to enable it. At this stage, it's crucial to specify the field that will be used for identifying duplicate submissions. Since we want to limit responses by email, select the email address field as the form identifier. This will ensure only one response can be submitted from each unique email address. Finally, don't forget the most critical step, saving your changes. You'll find the Save Changes button in the settings menu. Make sure to click this as it will apply all the settings you've just configured, and your form will now limit one response per email effectively. That's it. You've now successfully configured your Tally form to restrict submissions to one per email address. This approach is perfect for ensuring fair participation and keeping your data accurate. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your online forms.